We have a mole concept question here from your IGCSE chemistry, the year November 2022, paper 2. That's a multiple choice question. It reads, which sample does not contain a number of atoms equal to your Avogadro constant, which is 6.02 times 10 raised to the 23 atoms? The option is 14 grams of your nitrogen, and you have nitrogen molecule here. Remember that 1 mole of your nitrogen molecule contains 28 grams of your nitrogen molecule. And that also contains 6.02 times 10 to the 23 molecules, which is your Avogadro constant. But since they're talking about molecules and the question says a number of atoms, and that is also equal to 2 times 6.02 times 10 raised to the 23 atoms. All right. Now, we just want the Avogadro constant, and we don't want your 2. So we take care of your 2, and that means the mass divided by 2. We just need to divide the mass by 2, which means 14 grams of your nitrogen atoms will contain 6.02 times 10 raised to the 23 atoms. I hope that makes sense. The B part says 6 grams of your water. So 1 mole of your water molecule has 18 grams of your water molecules, which contains 6.02 times 10 raised to the 23 molecules. And that is 3 times 6.02 times 10 to the 23 atoms. Why 3? Because you have 3 atoms of your water, 2 from your hydrogen and 1 from oxygen. But we want just your Avogadro constants and the number of moles. So that's the number of atoms, and that's why we have atoms here as well. And for your Avogadro constant, then we need to take care of 3. So we divide this mass by 3, which is 18 divided by 3. So your 18 divided by 3 is your 6 grams. So in other words, you have 6 grams of your water molecules will contain just 6.02 times 10 to the 23 atoms, which coincides with your B, and making B correct, but B is wrong, A is wrong, because we want does not contain. The C part, you have 4 grams of your helium, of course, which has what? Your 6.02 times 10 to the 23 atoms. So that has no problem. And your D part says 28 grams of your carbon monoxide. Remember the 1 mole of your carbon monoxide has 23 or 28 grams of your carbon monoxide. Where's 28 coming from? You have 12 plus 16 from your carbon and oxygen, respectively, or from the relative atomic masses of your carbon and oxygen. And that also contains 6.02 times 10 raised to the 23 molecules. Okay. Now, we don't want molecules, and we just want atoms, a number of atoms. So that will be 2 times 6.02 times 10 raised to the 23 atoms. Why 2? Because we have just 2 atoms in your carbon monoxide, carbon and oxygen, and which is equal to the Avogadro constant. So we just divide 28 divided by 2, which is equal to 14 grams of your carbon monoxide molecules should contain 6.02 times 10 to the 23 atoms now. And the question says 28 grams, so it means that this answer is wrong, making D the best choice. I hope you understood what we just discussed, and if you have any question, any doubt, please keep your comments below, and see you in our next presentation. Thank you.